Welcome back to a new video, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna unbox my brand new air horn. Gosh, I've been waiting for this thing so long, and I have never seen one in real life. Only, so I wonder how big it's gonna be. It's gonna look like. Just trying to cut up this goddamn tape. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh shit, I can see it. Oh my god, it's big. Look at it. Here it is. So how do I open up this plastic now? I'm gonna try cutting it. I've been waiting for this thing so long. And it's freaking finally here. Fun. Oh my gosh. So, here's the. Whoa, it's big. Now I got it. So should I spawn now like this? I'm scared it might actually honk by accident, so I'm just gonna. Just trying to screw it on. Oh my lord. Sorry, I gotta pause. Okay, so guys, now it's on. I don't want to test it indoors. I'm a bit too scared, but just look at this thing. Just look at it. I'm gonna do a testing video of it soon. I can't believe it's finally freaking here. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up, please. I'll really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.